Welcome back to Couch Collectibles. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. As always, there is not a ton of things to look for on the 2007 Jefferson nickel, so this video will be very short. However, we're going to look at some coins that did sell for hundreds of dollars. Now, here's a 2007 D mint mark Jefferson nickel. Now, this is graded at a mint state 66, and it's out of the Steve Storm collection, so that's the only reason why this nickel actually has any real value. You know, it's common to have the 2007 nickel. If you have a mint error on it, or if it's in a specific grade, then it could be worth a little more. This coin sold for $95 at auction. Now, this next coin here sold for $400 at auction, and that's because the coin has not only been broad struck, but it's also been double struck. So of course you can see the broad strike around the rim of the coin. Now, this coin is graded by NGC at a mint state 66 with 6 full steps. The steps are on the back of the Jefferson nickel. This coin is out of the New England collection, and again, this nickel sold for $400 because of those mint errors. That's where the majority of the value is at for this coin. Now, here's another mint error coin from 2007. It is the D mint mark. Now, this coin was actually struck onto an elliptical planchet. So we could see that the whole design's being cut off there as a result of that. Again, out of the New England collection, graded at a mint state 67 by NGC. This coin sold for $275. Now, here is a 2007 P mint mark. We looked at the D mint mark. This is the P mint mark that is graded at a mint state 67 with the 6 full steps. So this may be the only one graded at a 67. There's probably tons of these graded at a 66 or a 65 or a 64. But if you get one that's actually at a 67, then you know you might have a little bit of value. This coin ended up selling for $140. Now, we also have the proof coin that you will see in your proof sets. This coin is actually graded at a perfect grade, a 70, proof 70 ultra cameo. So you cannot get any higher than a 70 on the coin grading scale. And this nickel ended up selling for $95. Not really worth grading because, you know, you're going to have to pay to have the coin graded in hopes of getting a proof 70 ultra cameo grade. Odds are against you. You're going to probably spend more money than you would get out of it, you know, considering it only sold for $95. Now, here's a 2007 P mint mark, a Jefferson nickel, that has a mint error. Here on the obverse of the coin, it's got an embedded slag. As we can see, as we zoom in on the coin there, we can see that. Graded by PCGS at a mint state 64. This coin sold for a little over $35 at auction. So again, not really much to look for on the 2007 Jefferson nickel, but if you check out my other videos here on the page, we show you a lot more modern coins that you can be looking for in your pocket change that are worth money. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe in the middle. Feel free to check out the videos to the left of me, and until tomorrow, I'll see you guys in the comment section below. This is Couch Collectibles, and this is where I disappear.